Right guys, so this is Shabaz Zaman, your host, and we are here outside Chapter 2, Southern Avenue, Keratala. This retro themed restaurant has the newest location in South Kolkata, and it's going to remind you of the 90s and the early 2000s of Park Street as well as Chowrangi. Without further ado, let me quickly take you guys inside and show you what the place looks like. This retro themed 60 seater restaurant gives that old school vibe of Park Street from the mid 90s when live music at restaurants was a thing. The place tries to rekindle the nightlife of the bygone era, offering its customers a gastronomical and musical charm of the 90s era. Inspired from Skyroom, Chapter 2 intends on recreating a long lost magic of this place, offering a number of specialities, giving a nostalgic experience of Park Street culture as witnessed by our generations of the past. Right, guys, so we are finally settled inside Chapter 2. Crew for the day, we have Orgho, Foodspot Vlog moderator. He's helping with the videography today. We have Shrishta, you remember her as a vlog member. And we have Shriparna, who is a Foodspot moderator. Your first vlog,
Yes.
first
I'm
appearance, excited? She knows what I'm going to ask. Great, good to have you. So we have the first item of the day, which is a cream of crab meat soup. So it's a very thick broth with crab meat all over and some cream on top. It's a very rich broth which you have over here, and you're getting it with a side of toast also. So if you want, you can just dip it over here, or maybe just take a bite. Crunchy. Delightful.
Seriously, you didn't even realize that your plate was not here.
ও এরকমই একদম ল্যাথখোর sometimes when he picks up his phone না hello বলে না, he waits যে করি maybe the person will start talking without saying hello, তাহলে ওর সময়টা বেঁচে যাবে. Why are you like this?
Lazy
Saving
panda.
time.
হুম
Saving time.
ওই সময় কি করিস? আজকে তো লেট আসলি 42 minutes. দাদা স্যুপগুলোকে একটু ক্লিয়ার করে দাও না, ক্লিয়ার স্যুপ. Whoa, what is this?
Prawn on toast.
Prawn on toast. This is one thing which I really like a lot. So this is one of the items which I tried for the first time when prawn kotha bolchen ami kotha bolchi. So this item I tried for the first time when I had visited Chapter 2 way back in I think 2015 or 2016, before Foodspa was created. So I insisted on this being a part of our menu today, and I see that they've done some changes to this. I'm very excited to try this out. So this is a pretty oily kind of a starter. It has a lot of prawn, a lot of sesame seed on top. Let me try to break this one. So this is the prawn which you have, and this is the bread with a lot of dressing. It's pretty good. Take my final bite. Very creamy, very oily, like I've mentioned. Alright guys, the next item which we have are chicken breast cutlets. I can see there are five pieces of these. It's pretty big. Plus you have the french fries as well and the dip by the side. Let me just quickly try to break one open. This is what it is like. A lot of the items over here you'll notice are very rich and very oily because all the items over here mostly inspired from the Skyroom, erstwhile Skyroom, and other continental beauties, peerless beauties which were available at Park Street and Chowrangi areas. So most of the items are inspired from there, so it brings back the memories of those continental dishes which our forefathers have tried out, and we're going to be trying out now. Some French fries.
Just hoping একটা suggestion ছিল. I felt your পুরোনো thumbnails was better than recent গুলো, তাই না?
Are you serious?
হ্যাঁ কারণ লোকে ওগুলোই পছন্দ করে
It is more catchy, cutouts, very
That is
cute.
extremely, it has been tried so many times. Everyone is doing that. I thought the recent thumbnails are better.
No, those are better.
এগুলোই ভালো ছিল
আরে তো সবাই এরকম করে, এটা কতটা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ক্লাসি। You guys let me know once in the comment section which ones you prefer. Please go for my options. I don't want to go back to the previous one because Orgo used to do those.
We
I did
want
not
the
like.
cutouts. We want the cutouts.
Please comment below and let us know which ones you like. The last 1 month je thumbnails gulo we are doing, or the ones previously which used to be done. The final starter of the day is a devil's crab. This again is a very known, very famous, popular dish from the past. So you have a devil's crab over here. It is mounted on top of a bed of mashed potato. Then you have some sorted vegetables. So you have broccoli, you have beans, baby corn, as well as carrots. So let me just dig in. This is so good. With some mashed potato. I would have liked the mashed potato to be a little more creamy, so they could have added a little amount of butter to this. And my favorite broccoli. Guys, how's your experience thus far? Orgo? Nati kha, chak bad de. Hi, abar kotobar hi bolbi? Shrishta?
Yeah. So right now I'm having something, but I really loved the soup, the cream of crab meat soup. It was really creamy and tasty, and I would recommend that to everybody. Please, whenever you're here, please try the same. Thank
Alright,
you.
what about you, Shipana?
Okay.
So what are you having?
Now I'm having the devil crab. No, I have tried the prawn on toast as well. It was a bit oily, as I don't like oily food much, so I'm preferring this much more.
Okay. What do you have to say about the ambience?
The ambience is really nice. It's giving a feel of the 90s live music, and I'm like.
What about you, Shrishta? What about the ambience?
Yeah, I pretty love the ambience because it justifies the name. It's like the best, and
Name e kothay di best likha.
it's like
Alright guys, the first main course of the day is a fish Florentine. This, I'm gonna just dig it inside, show you what it is like. This is one of my favorite items from the continental section. I think most fish items from the continental is something which I really like. So this is a mix of fish, a lot of spinach, as well as a bed of cheese. Very creamy. The fish is fresh. Oodles of cheese. Just the way a Florentine is supposed to be. If you can see closely, the fish is so fresh. It's very soft. It's very white. I was very impressed with the quality of the fish which was used for the Florentine.
মানে ফুড স্পার ভিডিও তো আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি গাড়িতে যাওয়ার টাইমে দেখি whenever I'm going for my duty.
গাড়ি
তখন আমি যাই
গাড়ি
গাড়ি করে হেঁটে হেঁটে যাবো
এয়ারপোর্ট যাচ্ছে
ওর ফ্লাইট তো আর ওর বাড়ি থেকে পিক আপ হয় না
আমার বাড়ির
এয়ারপোর্ট থেকে
আসবে
ফ্লাইট অ্যানাউন্স করে দেবে যে সাবস্ক্রাইব টু ফুড স্পা
রাইট রাইট
ইউ ক্যান ডু দ্যাট কি হলো কেন বলতে পারিস না বলতে পারিস তো
It's not allowed. It's only meant for safety related announcements.
ইউ ক্যান ডু ইন দ্য ইকোনমি ক্লাস
Alright guys, so this is a shepherd's pie which we are having. Wow, this is so flavorful. Normally shepherd's pie whenever I've had, it's very dry inside. But this is so spicy and it is not at all dry. It's very good. I will definitely recommend this item. It's very, very flavorful. Thank you so much, chef. First of all, the cover it was very nice. The way it was presented, I think not just the food, the presentation also. All of them are pretty unique, barring the last two items. It was very well presented. Thank you so much. What we really liked about the food, most of them liked the soup a lot. So the cream of crab meat soup is really nice. Shepherd's pie. The shepherd's pie was really good. Normally, আমরা যখন এই shepherd's pie টা খাই অনেকটা বেশি dry হয় ভেতরে. But your shepherd's pie, the meat was so flavorful, so spicy also. It was really nice. So kudos to you.
Thank you so much.
Only thing which we did not like we mentioned, was the prawn on toast. Normally, ওটা আমি আগে যখন খেয়েছি, it was slightly less oily. So today we found it, to our liking, we found it a little too oily. So that is the only thing which we had an issue with.
আদার্স আইটেম যেগুলো আছে আমরা যেগুলো ট্রাই করেননি, যেটা ভেটকি লেমন গিল,
Okay.
বারবিকিউ পোক লিভস,
Okay.
and prawn cocktail.
Prawn cocktails, yeah. I think prawn cocktails are another item which is really popular over here. So Tamra, next time, those who are watching, we couldn't try this today. You can definitely come back, try these items, and let me know in the comment section how you've experienced and how you've enjoyed these items as well. Thank you so much, chefs. And we have the desserts now. So we have a creme brulee over here, as well as a caramel custard. Let's start with this. So we've been given two desserts, one which is slightly less sweet, which is the creme brulee, of course. You can see it wobbling. And this is the caramelization on top. Wow. And finally the custard. So mix of warm as well as the cold dessert to wind things up. A beautiful experience over here. The ambience is brilliant. It's going to take you back down memory lane. Old Kolkata, as it was known as Calcutta. Service, it can be a little better. I would like them to be, of course it's a new place. The moment they have a lot more guests coming in, they're going to get faster with the speed of the service and everything else. Food, like I've already told you, which are the ones which I liked personally. You can give those ones a try. You can give the ones which we have not tried yet. You can let us know in the comment section. So guys, overall, how was the experience? Main course, Shriparna?
I have tried the Vetki Florentine and the shepherd's pie. Both were really good, and I especially like the shepherd's pie more.
Okay. Shrestha?
The ambience here is pretty nice and beautiful, and it's very neat here. And you'll get an amalgamation of retro and old places that we had back in Kolkata.
So that was our experience at Chapter 2, the latest outlet which is at Southern Avenue. Ambience is one thing which really impressed me the most. Of course the food was expected to be good, but the ambience was definitely a showstopper. If you like today's video, do share it with your friends and family. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Southern Avenue, Chapter 2. Cheers. The ambience was the store shopper bolch. Showstopper. 1, 2, 3. But the ambience was definitely a showstopper. Newest location of Chapter 2 at Southern Avenue, Keratala. দাদা ওই ওনাকে সরতে বলো না, একটা ছবি তুলবো ওখানে আমরা গ্রুপ ফটো, ওনাকে সরতে বলো।